Yo, I'm Anto. How you doing? Okay, bike check. Right, this is the SC Us vs Zen frame, medium size. It's like a landing gear fork, some lovely profile hub, velocity chucker on the front with Conti City Ride. Got a Quagman stem, short, nice and stumpy. Volume, third bar, mushroom long grip. I got an SEC cloud, pivotal, sorry, red line pivotal seat. Got nice profile cranks. I got Phoenix pedals with Phoenix straps. I got nice Halo disc rim, 29-inch rim on the back that I'm testing out for Halo. 60 ride tires again from Continental. I got a refit 33 tooth chain wheel with a 12 tooth carb on the back. So there you go. There you have it. Peace out.
Hot damn.